Have you ever noticed your plant's leaves suddenly turning dark, or a strange powdery layer appearing as if it arrived overnight? In nature, plant diseases often appear quietly. Fungi and harmful bacteria can spread through the soil, air, or even a single drop of water. Problems like black rot, gray mold, rust, fusarium, and powdery mildew can slowly weaken the beauty and health of your plants. But the good news is that nature gives us a simple and powerful protector: turmeric. This golden kitchen spice is not only used for cooking. Turmeric has natural antifungal, antibacterial, and antiseptic properties. It also contains helpful minerals like iron, calcium, and phosphorus that support stronger plant health and improve resistance to disease. Here's how you can use it. When transplanting a plant, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric into 1 liter of soil. This helps protect the roots from fungal infections and harmful microbes. For regular prevention, dissolve 1 teaspoon of turmeric in 1 liter of warm water. Stir well and lightly spray the mixture on the leaves. This simple treatment helps stop many plant diseases before they start. If your plant is already showing signs of infection, mix 2 teaspoons of turmeric in 1 liter of warm water, then add 100 milliliters of milk. Milk helps the solution stick to the leaves for better protection. Strain the mixture and spray it carefully on the affected areas. Repeat this treatment every 2 weeks or once a month as your plant recovers. With this simple natural remedy, your plants can stay strong, healthy, and full of life. If you enjoy simple gardening tips like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful plant care ideas.